Hey guys, this is Jeff from ReRover. Giving you guys a update on our Defender 110 that we've been working on here for a customer of ours. We've got the wings taken off, the engine and gearbox stripped out, getting it ready to do that engine swap for that V8. Next step is to basically pressure wash all of this, clean it all up, and yeah, we're moving right along. We'll take a look at the interior here. It's getting stripped out for the new dash that we're going to put in here. So once again, basically the old dash comes out, old wiring is going to stay, but we're going to clean it all up, make it look fresh and new, and then get that Puma dash in there. So yeah, we're doing some good progress. Thanks guys for watching our YouTube video. Follow us, subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We're ReRover. We do Land Rover restorations and rebuilds, and even servicing. So give us a call or give us a like. Thanks.